Big assessment challenges that trusts face are comparability. I think that is huge. Comparability between any kinds of schools is very difficult. And so the challenge for trusts, which have more than one school, is how do we get that comparability, not just within one school, but across several. And that's a huge challenge. It can be hard enough. You can talk to a head of department and they can find it hard getting consistent assessment data across 5 or 10 teachers. So what trusts have to try and do is to not just get the assessment consistent within a department, not just get it consistent within a school, but get it consistent across all of their schools, who may all be in very different circumstances. And that's hard. One of the best ways of achieving that comparability, whether you're a trust or a standalone school, is to use standardised tests, because as I said, one of the big benefits of standardised tests is they give you that comparable information. So they give you information that's not just comparable between teachers in a school or between schools in a trust, but they give you information that's comparable between pupils nationally, so that they're nationally referenced. So I think the big challenge for schools, and particularly for trusts, is getting comparable assessment data in years where there are no national exams. And I think that one very sensible response to that is to use nationally standardised tests in those years where there are no national exams.
In terms of assessment challenges and managing across perhaps multi-academy trusts, challenges come in terms of autonomy, the autonomy that some academies are given in terms of employing different assessment systems means that comparability, that moderation, those quality assurance activities, the subjectivity that you get in personal professional opinion as teachers are moderating and assessing, it's very difficult to actually say, well, this child is at this level, and that age-related expectation, is it the same in every single academy that you go in school A, is it the same in school B, school C, etc.
The challenges that trusts can face in terms of assessment is ensuring accuracy across the mat, making sure that the data that we receive is accurate and rigorous. That is one of our biggest challenges. So if we know that our data is reliable, we can just do so much more with that as a trust in terms of making sure that we are focusing in on the right areas in order to allow our youngsters to make maximum potential. The way in which we manage our programme of assessment across the trust is that recently we have procured the complete digital solution package from GL Assessment. That allows us now to really think about our assessment cycle across all our academies and to think about the different data drops of what sort of assessment will take place over the course of the academic year. That then will allow us to compare data more accurately across the trust with a combination of standardised testing as well as teacher assessments.